My name is Sherry and welcome to my channel. Unfortunately, this week I don't really have a lot of sewing things to show you, and I've been making stuff like balances and pot holders, and I've been trying to clean the house up and try and neaten things up and get rid of things. I'm doing a purge basically that is well overdue, and I don't really want to stop doing it because it's very easy for me to stop doing those jobs and then I never get back at it again. So I've been busy doing that. And so that's not very interesting stuff to tell you about. So I have been working on some things, and right now, well, yesterday I thought about making some fabric baskets, and I tried to make one that file folders fit in. I wanted to label the front, and I wanted to be able to wash them. So made this corner's not sticking out. Anyway, I thought if I put cardboard in it instead of using interfacing, because interfacing is expensive. So I'm not very happy with that prototype. So anyway, I am going to make some fabric baskets because a friend of mine gave me this giant roll of decorator fabric. Well, it's like tapestry almost. It's quite thick. And she was using it as a drop cloth. Anyway, thank you, Fran. I am using it. I'm trying to make some storage baskets or fabric baskets. So I have been filming some wildlife in my yard. Now, at my house, the month of May seems to be eagle month. I think I have about four or five really, one, two, three, four. I have five huge pine trees that are 80 years old in my yard. So they're quite tall, they're quite big, and the eagles love to sit in them. And when the rest of the trees in the woods, like birch and maple, don't have their leaves on them yet, they are starting. And it seems like the month of May, and if it's raining, I'll have 20 eagles in my yard, like 5 in each tree, and they'll sleep there overnight. So it makes for entertainment for us because you can just look out the window and they screech and talk and go on. Anyway, it's quite entertaining if no one's seen it before. Now, I did film some. Unfortunately, it is raining, so there's a lot of running water sound, but you can hear a lot of other birds in the video, and it's very short, so it's not going to be super long. And it kind of reminds you of some of those relaxing videos, and you'll get to hear the eagle screech. I tried to edit it down, and I made it really short. So, and I also have a groundhog that is trying to move into my greenhouse. Now, I just finished plugging up the hole that's under there. I'm sure he can dig it out again, but he's chewing at the bottom of my greenhouse, so which is just like a little shed. I call it my greenhouse. Anyway, so he has to move. You never know what's going to walk into my yard. So, and I know a lot of you have commented before about how you enjoy the bird sounds when if I'm outside filming. It's quite cold out today. Anyway, I'm going to add, it's only about 5 minutes video. I hope you enjoy it. It's a little different. And if you want to see more wildlife photos and things that are been in my yard, I'd be happy to show you. But this isn't, this is a sewing channel, it's not a wildlife channel. So anyway, I just thought I'd throw a little of that in there, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, take care, everyone. Bye.